the day belongs to our Secretary General, Secretary General from the OSG and from the CICC. We at ICI, we don't want to monopolize this discussion. We don't want to be an active party in this. We want the right hand to know what the left hand is doing. This is actually a unified approach to a heinous, scandalous crime that happened to our country. We are gathered here with a shared purpose and common responsibility to the Filipino people. The purpose of our meeting is to discuss and finalize the framework for interagency coordination, information sharing, and legal procedures related to the recovery of public funds and assets from irregular and anomalous transactions project. This technical working group will also outline operational guidelines, timelines, and priority actions to fully support national asset recovery and accountability initiatives. This TWG will also discuss ways to prosecute all these people behind these transactions. We know that every peso na ninakaw ay planong piso na wala sa ating bansa. Kaya't mahalaga po ang magsama-sama kami lahat dito at magtulungan para maibalik ang pera na pag-aari ng taong bayan. Now, given your agency's mandate and the expertise, andyan ho yung NBI, andyan ho yung AMLA, and nandiyan DPWH, and yung lahat ng DTI, lahat, this will be a total government approach in addressing and also recommending that this will not happen again. Thank you.